Hello everyone, welcome to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to link a Google prompt to a Google Sheet. So let's get started. At first, go to Google prompt and then open the prompt which you want to link. Once it's opened, you have got to go to the response tabs on top over here. So just click on that, and after this you will find a green button which is over here. So this is the button will link it with Google Sheets. Click on it. Here as you can see, the response of the prompt have come on the Google Sheet. So that's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.